Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you guys on how to unclog your drain. You see how the sink has a dirty residual from clogging? Let me show you real quick. So yeah, if you have like a slow drain, this video will be the good fix for your problem. So imagine washing your face and yeah, you got the slow drain. So yeah, when you got a clog, your sink is gonna look like this or even worse, okay? So let's go under the sink and we're gonna remove the P-trap, see what's going on. So we need to open the cabinet under the sink. Unfortunately, I have lots of stuff in there, so I will need to remove them. So yeah, I got a whole bunch of stuff in here. There's a P-trap right there. I need to remove this thing right here. And then get into it. As you can see, when it's overflow, you might have a drip. So yeah, it seems like it's dripping, I can see. So we're going to remove the P-trap and then inspect it. Alright, so I removed everything. I put the bucket right here to catch the dirty and nasty water, and I'm gonna unscrew the P-trap. There's one screw right here, and then one over here. You see the water is dripping from the top and down here and drip down here. And if you don't fix it, it's going to damage your cabinets. The water is going to come out. Wow, look at that. What the heck is all this? Oh my goodness. You see that? Oh, it's all clogged up. What the heck is that? It smells so bad too. Wow, look at that. Whew. Oh. What the heck? I'm gonna run some water down and then see if anything come out. What the? Yikes. Wow, lots of stuff come out. Wow. You see the hair? So I might unscrew this and clean the whole pipe out. Yucky. Nothing is on this side. Oh my god, that side too. What? I'm gonna clean this P-trap first. Alright, so as you can see, it's much more better. I'm gonna put this P-trap back in, and hopefully that side is not clogged up. So if you want, you could put like a plumber's putty. So I'm just gonna tie this back up, and if there's any leak, then I'll put the plumber's putty around the connections. to go back and forth and then screw this screw the cap back in. It's going to be lopsided. Hey, there you go. See a whole bunch of black stuff on the P-trap. I'm gonna run some hot water. Clean this a little bit. And you're gonna check for the bottom P-trap for any leaks or anything like that. See, no more clogging. I need to clean all those up. Let's clean it up real quick. Disgusting looking. So I use some A-Jack and then lime away to clean it. But don't use a lime away to clean your fixture, or it's gonna be turning like that. Okay. So I'm gonna wipe the P-trap clean and all the pipes. Make sure run some water. Make sure there's no leaks. So when you run the water, you gotta make sure there's no leak from here, down there, and then from there, down there. Wow, look at that. Nice clean sink. So there's some hot water build up. You could go back and then try to clean out again. So I'm gonna do some tests. Right, so there's no leaks. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments down below. And hopefully this will clear up your drain. And thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one. Like always, peace.